Okay, let's make a start with Ielts speaking part 1. I will ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. So let's start with you. Do you like bags?
Yes, I like bags.
Okay, so you need to answer in 5, 6 sentences. Yes, I like bags, and most of the time when I go outside, I carry a bag. Mostly I like hand carry, something like that. Okay, so answer again. Do you like bags?
Yes, I like bag, but most preferable I like tote bags because whenever I have to go to the markets or to any kind of places, I like tote bag because they are more spacious. You can put anything into that bag. So yeah, I like more tote
Okay.
bags.
What type of bags do you use when you go to any function?
Well, the clutches, if I have to go to the formal event like wedding, so I prefer clutches. But if I have to go to the meeting, because that is also formal, so I carry minimalistic but sophisticated but decent bags.
Okay. What's your favorite color in bags?
Black.
Why?
Because black is more commercial, and in any kind of event or you have to go anywhere, you can use that color because there is no such stain people can see or even you can see, so it's more cleanliness for me.
Okay. All right. How often do you buy new bags?
Not most of the time. I prefer to buy bags when I really need to.
Okay, that's good. Overall, it's fine, but some answers are very short. Try to elaborate further, and in the end, you need to conclude your answer. Okay, now let's make a start with you. Who was your favorite teacher at school?
My favorite teacher was English teacher. She was a very friendly nature. She is very kind to
She
students.
was very
She was
kind
very kind to
with the
students.
students, so there should be proper conclusion.
Okay.
Okay, don't just make 4, 5 sentences which are not linked together. Just try to elaborate and then conclude. What type of teachers do you like?
I like mostly friendly teachers, uh, uh, which are humble
Who are humble?
who are humble in nature and kind to students.
Okay, again, this is the short answer. I like
Okay.
friendly teachers who are humble and kind to students. Short answer. They should be at least 5, 6 sentences. If your answers are short, examiner will ask you more questions. Okay?
Okay.
Now, let's go on. Would you like to become a teacher in the future?
Yes, I'm interested in this field. Um, I like to. Um,
Like to become a
I like to
teacher.
become a
Teaching is a noble
teacher.
profession.
Yes.
I have the qualities of becoming a good teacher, something like that. But answer should be full, at least 5, 6 sentences, and these sentences should go on in a logical sequence. Okay. Now, one last question. Uh, have you ever got a strict teacher?
Yes, my maths teacher was very strict. He did punishment.
He punished the
He
students
punished.
very often.
He punished the students very often. Um,
That's it, huh? So you're lacking ideas.
Yes.
We don't need 1, 2 sentence answer. We need at least 5 to 6 sentences. So next practice, and you need to give reasons for your answer and try to make at least 5 to 6 sentences. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much.